Hello everybody, welcome back and thank you for joining me for another video. Alright, so in today's video I am doing the final 4 pieces of what I need to send over to Asheville for my resin class. Now I did record this quite some time ago, so I have managed to get all 20 pieces shipped off to Asheville. They should be arriving there any day now, so phew, one less thing on my list of things to do before I get ready to leave for Asheville. For those of you who don't know and are watching my videos for the first time, I will be teaching in Asheville, North Carolina, May 23rd to the 25th. So you still have time. There is still some time that you can go and get yourself some tickets if you want to come and learn in person with me live. I'm going to be teaching 3 days worth of classes. Now you're noticing here, I don't know, something was going on with my camera that day. It was doing some funky things. 1 minute it's kind of light colored and then it turns yellow hue. So not really sure what was going on with my camera that day. It must have not been very happy with me, but you know, it is what it is. But in today's video, I decided just to do 2 color palettes, some blues and then some blues and greens, which you'll see shortly. But yeah, I just wanted to get these little guys done so that they can be shipped off to Asheville for my resin classes. But yeah, so please excuse the change in color while watching my video. Hopefully this isn't an ongoing issue. I'm not really sure why it even happened in the first place. It seems to me every time I stick my hand in camera view, it would change the color, which has never happened before. So I'm not really sure why it's doing that, but it is what it is. So anywho, I'm going to let you guys enjoy the rest of this video. I'm going to throw in some music while you guys check out these color palettes, and I'll be back at the end. And there you have it, everybody. The final 4 pieces. You can see here I did some blues and gold in this one. The next one, I don't think I used any gold. Yeah, no, I didn't. So switched it up just a little bit. But anywho, let me know what you guys think about this in the comments below. And all the information you need to know about any upcoming classes I'm teaching can be found in the description below the video. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see some of you in Asheville in a couple of weeks. Until next time, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day, have a good night, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.